I'm having Subway. Subway for dinner, and my dog really likes Subway. Simon, what do you think? Do you like Subway? Is it so yummy? Is it so yummy, Simon? You love Subway. Do you love Subway? You gonna beg. Gonna beg for Subway. How can I resist that face? Oh, that face. You just love my sandwiches so much. You're so good. I mean, is that what you want, baby? You want mommy's sandwich so bad. You gonna beg for Subway? Yes. Oh, that's very cute, Simon. You love Subway. You like your $5 footlong. Yeah. Oh, I know. I know. It's so yummy. You're so cute when you beg. You're so cute when you beg. Show me how you beg. Show me how you beg for Subway. Yeah, you sit up. It's so cute how you sit up, Simon. I just love it. You go up? Okay, one more piece and then we're done. Okay, up. Yes, I love Mommy loves your ears. Yes, you're very cute boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. One more time, up. One more time, sit up. Up. What you growling, little man? Don't growl at me.